Okay, who would like to ask the first question? A?
Partner, we have a question from Pete Ampolocchio.
Okay, Pete.
How do you feel that you are
Wow.
very popular now, that everybody would like to be you on your shoes?
I guess they look at us as role models. So I'm proud, I guess, to be a role model to people, that people look up to us. And yeah.
Apo, I don't know, I feel amazing. Tsaka parang ang dami po naming napapasaya.
Sobra.
Ang dami pong kinikilig, ang daming, well, in Otwal, of course. But then, ang dami po namin na-inspire, like what James said.
Did you expect that this phenomenon is going to happen?
Honestly,
No.
no.
How do you
We're
feel about it?
surprised.
How do you feel about it?
It's really surreal. It's like a dream. I can't
Okay.
imagine ever reaching this level. You know, we have
And
a sold out concert at Araneta. It's unbelievable.
Same, parang feeling ko po nananaginip ako. Parang, ang bilis din po kasi ng lahat ng nangyayari. So, hindi pa po nagsisink in lahat.
You're
Sobrang
becoming
bilis
so
po.
lovely. Okay, thank
Thank you po.
Okay, just at 12 noon kanina po, James and Nadine renewed their ABS-CBN contracts. So they will remain kapamilya at siyempre sa atin sa Dreamscape. Ayan. Okay, next question, Aaron.
Yes, partner, we have a question from Alex Brosas.
Hi, si Alex. Hi, Lex.
Hello. James and Nadine, you are the standard by which lab teams are measured because you're very successful. You are the envy of many people. Ano yung factor why you click to your audience?
What makes you different ba? I mean, ba't ka nag-click nga talaga ang Jaden sa audience? Click yung click. Ganun. Charot lang, joke. Iba talaga yung binigay yung ano sa amin, James and Nadine. I don't know saan ang gagaling yun eh.
We to be honest, hindi talaga namin alam kung bakit, you know, we have chemistry or why we click. I guess it's just, I don't know.
I think that's the most sincere answer din talaga. Yung hindi nila alam.
We don't know. So.
Ever since, I mean, every time na tinatanong po kami, hindi po namin alam yung sasabihin namin. Talaga.
Tito Alex, hindi daw nila alam.
Ako rin. Charot.
Go?
Ano yung highlight ng concert? If you can give us a few.
Okay, so speaking of concert, okay, yung nalalaman nyo, then i-add na lang ng ating events people, anong highlights na magiging mangyari sa concert?
Well, coming from me and Nadine, we'll be giving, this is our first major concert, we'll be giving next level performances for our fans. Also, we have guests such as Vice Ganda, Elmo Magalona, Yessi Pressman, Myrtle, who else? I think that's it. Yeah.
Nads, would you like to add? Bago i-add
Yun,
ng ating
same.
production team here.
For me po, I guess the whole concert is a highlight kasi this is the very first major concert that we're doing. Tapos, we're just really excited. So I'm pretty sure sobrang ibibigay po namin yung 120% namin. And I'm sure lahat mag-enjoy.
Okay, para pa magkwento ang ating production team headed by Miss Jinky and of course, EG, who would like to, gusto nyo what will happen po ngayong Sabado sa Araneta Coliseum?
Inay Jinky.
Mas maganda po kung nandun kayo at ma-witness nyo po. Pero level up po ang kilig,
Wow!
kantahan, level up din ang song choices ng dalawa. Siyempre may dance si James na bahala na si James. At ang pinaka-finale namin ang abangan nyo.
Ay!
Yun lang po. Bawal pong i-reveal.
Kasi it's a success po ito ng isang Jaden Love Team because when we sold the tickets, we never announced po kung sino mga magiging guests. But you guys, sobrang in hours. So if I may ask, parang naka 9 million, ay agad-agad. When we announced that we are selling tickets na 9 million agad-agad ang nabentang tickets ng Jaden in Love via the Araneta Ticketnet and of course yung sa Araneta mismo. In 7 hours, nag-9 million na revenue po agad yung ang kinita. And then officially po, even GA po, na sold out na siya 2 days ago. Ibig sabihin, wala na po kayo makikitang ticket. Except for the SRO that we are selling right now. Ayan. And of course, Reggie, na-mention na may mga guest performers. Ano pong magiging role ng mga guest performers? Alam ko guest, pero di ba? Anong gagawin ni Vice Ganda? Interesting. Sino-sino po ba? Miss Jinky? Wag na daw i-announce. Oo. But there will be celebrity guests. Okay. E.g., Miss Jinky kasi sa social media, nagsasuggest po, di ba, pag nakita nila yung pinost mo na concert poster, do you listen to them? May mga suggestions, recommendation, whatever.
Actually, sa Twitter, madaming nagtatag sa amin ng mga suggestions nila ng mga kanta.
Mhm.
May iba naman doon na,
Meron na.
na kinuha namin. Pero most of the songs galing sa dalawa.
Wow, so hands-on pala naman yung dalawang artists
Yes.
natin. Did you ask for this na, please, bigyan nyo kami ng freedom to choose the songs that we wanted to perform? Parang
Actually,
ganon?
they asked us po kung ano po yung gusto namin i-perform talaga.
okay. And then,
So yun po, nagbigay po kami ng suggestions. And we're really excited kasi ito po talaga yung mga songs na gustong-gusto po talaga namin i-perform.
how generous naman ng events
Opo.
people, ano?
We'll also be performing songs that were requested for us to sing.
Meron
so-
din. Okay. Interesting. Ang gusto ko lang talaga sila mapanood na sa Sabado. Alam mo
rin
yun. I know. Wala naman ticket. Charot. Okay, more questions, Aaron?
Yes, partner, we have a question from Manay Ethel.
Yes,
Ramos.
Tita Ethel.
Itong tanong na ito may be a little late kay James and Nadine. Nadine, yung 3 fellow collab teams nyo told the members of the press how they celebrated their Valentines.
Kailan po ba yung Valentine's? Charot lang, Tita Ethel.
Ngayon, in your case, paano nyo celebrate? Somebody spotted you sa Shangri-La.
Ayun. Feb 14 is a Saturday. Sunday. And then, may nakaspot daw sa inyo sa Shine, where we use, di ba? Doon kami nagpupunta eh. Would you like to, pwede magkwento or ano? What were you doing in Shine?
In Shang, no, nasa Rockwell kami.
Ayan, si Tita Ethel, sagutin niyo. Wag ako. Go, address Tita Ethel. Nasaan kayo nung Feb 14?
Actually,
Gusto namin honest answer.
Honest answer. Well, we were at Rockwell. We were just shopping for computer games. But to be honest,
Shopping for what?
computer games. But to be honest, meron kaming dinner plans, but it got cancelled because the restaurant was full. So
Ang cute. Ko. Ano ba yun? Tahimik ako doon. Ayan. Pati si Tita Ethel natahimik din sa sagot niya. Kinilig ka, no?
Now the next question. Is it the real thing between the two of you now?
is what real?
Is Jaden really in love with are you the two of you in love really?
We're really
Honest
close.
answer.
We're really close, and why are you so quiet?
Because you're answering already. Yeah, we're just really close with Tita Ethel. Really?
Yeah, let's give it to them na. Close sila and...
Anong gift niyo sa isa't isa?
Sige, Did you guys-
Honestly po, wala.
Ha?
Wala po.
I'm prepared for
We were
this.
unprepared.
Sino ang mas kuripot sa inyo?
Wala pong sasagot niyan.
Wala nga amen.
Wala nga amin.
Kasi, kailangan ba may regaluhan po ba pag Valentine's? Charot. Charot na.
Ay ako, I must admit, I really watched On the Wings of Love.
Thank you po.
Ngayon gusto kong malaman, before the series finally leave us, what can we expect from the finale episode?
Ayun. Naka-segment, Tita Ethel, gusto mo nang kasi sasagutin po yan later on, kasi naka-segment tayo sa Jadine concert muna tayo sa Sabado sana. Di ba
May mga deadline kami.
O sige, pwede nating, the creators kasi are here din eh. Okay, would you like to answer that? May deadline daw si Tita Ethel sa kanyang...
Siyempre po, we can't reveal the ending, but it'll be unforgettable.
Surprise.
Yes. We have a very big surprise for all the Atwalistas out there. And
Sa pagkakasabi ni James, alang ang laki-laki ng surprise. Ano, iba-ibang
it
flow
is.
nito eh, no?
It is, and
Parang it's a dream that skate us.
Ha?
Parang it's a dream that skate us. Siguro dahil produced by Dreamscape.
I love you, Tita Ethel. Sir Deo, andyan, no? Ayan, okay.
O sige.
May napupuntahan ba yung nagaganap na to?
Deo, may kasunod silang series together.
Ay, ito na. Diyos ko, ito na, Lord.
Thank you very much.
They're just gonna go on a world tour, then movies, then we're starting to shoot again in June, late June, for a new series.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ayan po, we just got the word that the new teleserye of Jadine will be produced by Dreamscape na magsisimula pong mag-roll sa June ng 2016. That's like March, April, May, June. Wow, in 4 months time, ha? Okay. More questions about the concert po? Otherwise, lipat tayo sa world, sa ano na po? Sa world tour. Okay, go ahead, A.
Magaling din, no? Kumanta at mag-perform. Wala ba kundi si Ray Pomaloy.
Ay, si Ray. Oo.
I'd like to ask,
Tara, English.
gusto kong tanongin si James. Baka hindi ko pangatawanan
Correct.
di ba?
Ako din naman.
Bakal ako. James, makikita ba namin yung kabuuan nung, ano yun yung dance number, sexy dance number mo sa series doon sa Araneta?
I'll definitely have something new for everyone.
Pero sexy.
Is that what you want?
Ay!
Of course! Kahit sa bubong ako. Basta may video wall. Meron talaga.
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay. Ay, hindi. Tanong ko na lang. Anong tawag dito? Paano kayo nagkakatulungan when it comes to... Kasi first time eh. How do you support each other pagdating dun sa magaganap sa Araneta? Paano nyo pinalalakas ang loob ng isa't isa?
Although performing naman, hindi na bago sa kanila. As we all know, di
Pero,
ba?
pero malaki
ito,
to eh.
ito big,
Sobra.
oo.
Oo.
How do you support each other when it comes... Ito, Araneta na kasi, James, Nadine.
I keep telling Nadine that it's gonna, once we're on the stage, we'll enjoy it, we'll have fun. So it's quite daunting, the whole of Araneta, and now apparently the whole of the Philippines be watching. So
Yun nga po, actually ngayon po nanginginig ako. Hindi ko po alam kung adrenaline or kinakabahan ako. But then, nung sinabi po ni Sir EJ na pay-per-view, parang, oh my God, parang lalo po kinabahan. But then, James is there. And he keeps telling me na kaya yan. Pag nandun ka na, mag-e-enjoy ka na.
Nads, ano na yung mga nabago sa inyo dalawa during the 7 months? Mas, ano ba yung na-discover nyo sa... yung dito sa ano?
Outwall,
sa
oo.
Outwall. Oo. Ano yung na-discover ninyo? Ano yung parang napagpapasensyahan ninyo sa isa't isa? Pagdating sa character, sa mood, sa attitude, mga ganyan.
The 7 months ng Otwal, how was it? Although kasi prior to that, meron silang may app boyfriend, di ba? Na medyo isa rin sa top rating na tumagal yun. Pero,
Pero ito kasi mas madala silang magkasama,
Oo,
di ba?
tama.
Paano na yung, ano yung update nung samahan ninyo? Paano kayo, I mean, gaano kayo ka-close ngayon? Ano yung mga bagay na naintindihan nyo sa isa't isa? Ano yung mga bagay na napagpapasensyahan nyo? Mga tipong ganun.
Well, I guess yung nagbago po sa amin kasi last year has been a really rough year for me. Na po nangyari. So I've been opening up to him. And
Like, ano yung mga nangyari mo na?
marami po.
Personal?
It's
Ah,
personal.
personal.
naman po. So, yun po. He's there to cheer me up palagi. So yun, so ever since then, sa kanya na po ako nag-share palagi.
Ano yung napagpapasensyahan mo kay James minsan? Yung mga pinapalagpas mo dahil naintindihan mo, ganyan.
Ano?
Yung mga
No.
moods or something, mga ganyan.
Wala naman po siyang mood eh. Sobrang chill